Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I am finna mold my hair. That's mostly what I do all the time. So yeah, just got using the Anastasia Miracle Moisturizing Shampoo. Last little bit, down to the last little bit, but yeah. So we're going to read, let's see. Okay, we're gonna, so before I do start molding, let's make sure my hair is good and dry. And I will be doing another video after this one. I will be doing another WWE video. I want y'all to stay tuned for that. So I'm just combing it through right quick. I hope everybody's had a good day or whenever you're watching this and everything. Just haven't too long for myself. Got through um washing my hair. So what we're going to be revisiting is the Motions styling foam with shea butter and argan oil and coconut oil. This was my favorite thing to put in my hair. I have so many of it. Something like setting lotions or wrapping mousse. So we're gonna do this. And I gotta ask y'all while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna give you the question. Have y'all seen advertisement for the one, the only? We already got Love, Growing Up Hip Hop Atlanta, Growing Up Hip Hop Hollywood. Y'all, have y'all seen Growing Up Hip Hop New York? Yes, we got Growing Up Hip Hop New York. That is crazy. Now, you got almost about everybody from, oh my God, Murder Inc. You got Irv Gotti, that's part of that. You also have Ja Rule and Charlie Baltimore. And her mini-me looks just like her. So y'all, comment below if you have not seen trailers or what. So we're going to be doing this. Let me pick something up right quick, y'all. Don't forget your strips. Yep. Yep. And like some of my hair has grown out, so I gotta go get it shaped up, shaped up and everything and stuff. But yeah, just doing something simple. Let me do this like this. So now we're going to brush it. I'm always using a thick brush to brush everything, y'all. There we go. Now we're going to take no more than 2 strips because I'm getting low on strips. And what I I do them this way. I take 2 strips. We're going to do it this way. Before I get it any tighter. Oh, that's not going to work, but there we go. And that's how I just mowed. I wanted to revisit this Motion foam styling lotion because this was last year. All last year was my favorite one to use and everything. If y'all have a setting lotion or styling lotion I should try, leave your comments below. And y'all, I'm gonna be getting my hair colored soon, and I got a plum purple, and the question is, should I take 2 colors with me? All right, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.